Welcome to day 12 of 30 Days Challenge on Spoon's presentation and the YouTube channel. Today we are in day 12 of 30 Days Challenge and the 71st day of the next course. Today I have entered into the crowd cycle 2 and I have as shown in the previous videos, I have chosen the month stack. Yeah, I will link that video in this upper section also. Let me take you, and today I have roundabout past simple tense of an action, English one of actions which was happened long ago, and I will show you the same. I will show you my schedule also. You can see it here on my journey, mindful stack. My journey fundamentals has been completed. You have seen all this journey, and you will see this journey also for 50 days till October 28th. I have to do this all. Programming foundations, Python conversations of list cheapest dictionaries, recursions, object-oriented programming, and miscellaneous topics like standard libraries, scopes, naming conventions, namespace errors, exceptions, and overall revision. And after that, another Git and GitHub commands, JavaScript and React, HTML, CSS again, mostly JavaScript only, with some JavaScript with HTML, CSS. After 8th of October, I will get this Node.js. This will take approximately, I guess, 10 days or so. After React.js, React hooks. After the placement documentations, fundamentals, and this stuff. This is October, means October plus 50. December it will take, and this one means January. By the end of February, end of January or February, the course will be completed. Today I will learn about recursion, built-in functions, and types and systems I have to see. Like in that pipe, tab has been opened to fill the tank and the pipe has been opened to empty the tank. Difference in this process and time taken more and less, and this sort of questions on this sort of things will be there. A drum and the inlet and outlet pipes covenants closing times will be there. That's all. There is some time and work only. I have written this one, and secure the good marks in this. And this I secured almost. And it's 9. You can see the study middle of past tense. I, you, we, any plural nouns, singular nouns, the, this, those, he, she, it. We have this verb form. They ate the sandwich. We drove to the mountains. He did not eat the sandwich. He did not drive to the mountains. Jenna went on the Sorrow picnic 2 days back. I received a surprise gift for my best friend on my birthday. She danced gracefully for the torrent shown last night. The cat chased a butterfly in the garden. My parents wrote me a letter last week. You have seen my journey, my upcoming journey, and the things I have learned today. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel with your friends. I want more subscribers. I want to reach at least 100 subscribers, which can be done by you. Or I have 63 and 37 members. It will give me some belief that my content is reaching to potential clients. As most of you are seeing, but not 97% of my viewers are not subscribing. Unique views are 300 all, and after out of that, most of them are not subscribing. Please subscribe. It's my humble request. Thank you.